What is set theory? Well, that's a straightforward question with a relatively complex answer. Simply put, it has to do with sets and the idea that everything can be organized into one. Like this, for example. This is even better. This too. Wait, no, not that. Some sets, such as the set of all teacups, are not members of themselves. Other sets, such as the set of all non-teacups, are members of themselves. Call the set of all sets that are not members of themselves R. If R is a member of itself, then by definition it must not be a member of itself. Similarly, if R is not a member of itself, then by definition it must be a member of itself. Suddenly, set theory doesn't have much of a premise. Herein lies Russell's paradox. So who was the man who reduced such a well-established theorem to nothing? As the paradox would imply, it was none other than Bertrand Arthur William Russell, 3rd Earl Russell of Kingston Russell, Viscount Amberley of Amberley and Ardcella. His friends called him Bertie for short. Bertie had poked a hole in an age-old theory by simply approaching the problem from a sheerly logical perspective. Yes, my friends, you yourself have just witnessed mathematical history. Or at least you heard a girl read about it. So how did he do it? As Russell so eloquently phrases it, yeah, that probably wasn't very helpful. You know, this concept can be a bit difficult to wrap your head around. Let's try an analogy. In Paradoxville, there is only one barber, who happens to be a man. In this town, it's illegal to have a beard, so everyone is clean-shaven. However, the town barber must adhere to some strict rules that define his job parameters. The barber is a man in town, who shaves those and only those men who do not shave themselves. If this is the case, who shaves the barber? You see, the barber needs to be shaved by himself or the town barber, who is also himself. If the barber does shave himself, then the barber must not shave himself. Remember that the barber is a man in town who shaves those who do not shave themselves. If the barber doesn't shave himself, the barber must shave himself, because the barber is a man in town who shaves those who do not shave themselves. Well, one thing's for certain. Whoever this barber is, he's going to have a bad hair day.